Hey basketball guys, we have news. Let's go to more news from the Golden State Warriors, but before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like. Latest Warriors news, young G League player, will be signed by the Golden State Warriors. A series of injuries has taken a toll on the Golden State Warriors squad. Even having a vacancy available in the roster and being able to sign free players, the Warriors also have the option of signing G League players. With no imminent return appearing for Andrew Wiggins as he deals with personal matters, and no update on the recently reacquired Gary Payton II, Golden State's wing/forward depth is looking nothing short of bare. Yet while the main squad battles with a short rotation, two options are currently plying their trade with the Santa Cruz Warriors in the G League. The Golden State Warriors should recall Moses Moody from the G League given his positive recent play and the team's injury issues. Moses Moody has now played multiple G League games in a row, giving him some much-needed court time after limited minutes with Golden State all season. Most recently, he had 27 points across 32 minutes of action in Santa Cruz's narrow 126-124 loss to the Birmingham Squadron on Thursday. The 20-year-old shot 11-4-23 from the floor including 3-for-9 from three-point range, also adding 6 rebounds, 2 assists and 2 steals along with 0 turnovers. The 2021 lottery pick is now averaging 24.4 points in 5 regular season G League games, having shot the ball at 44.2% from the field and exactly 40% from deep. It was a different story for Anthony Lamb on Thursday though, with the Warriors' two-way player struggling to impact the game in the 2-point loss. The 25-year-old finished with just 6 points, 5 rebounds and 6 assists in 34 minutes, shooting a disastrous 2-for-13 from the field including missing all 6 of his 3-point attempts. Golden State's injury worries means they really need to have one of Moody or Lamb once again available, particularly given the lack of trust one has to have in Andre Iguodala's 39-year-old body. Given recent G League form and the contractual status of Lamb, Moody deserves to have one last crack at earning a rotation spot before the end of the season.